Alright guys, I'm back in the house. We went and pick up some supplies for the CRX. Look what came in. This head, I've been waiting for it for a long time. Got it through AutoZone. They gave me a good deal out of it. And let me bring it out. First time I order a head for a vehicle, for an automotive company like that. Let's see what it comes with. Alright, take the head off. Oh man. This is for your water, your intake, comes with brand new valves. Let's open it up. By the way, this is about 800 bucks. It's about the same amount if you're going to take a head and get it redone. Best thing about this is this one comes with everything on it. Wow, that looks good. So it comes with brand new valve stems. Comes with brand new cams. I'm missing the seal on the front. Everything is polished, real nice. Look, oh man. Comes with original markings here. Original marking there. That's your port for the VTEC. And then the best part, let's see it. Let's take a look. Brand new, look at that. Brand new valve. So this car is gonna run like a champ. Missing a couple sensors here that we're gonna get them. As you can tell, it's a rebuild. It's a little bit of rust here, but that's no matter. This is where the distributor goes. And this is for the blue Civic that I have next to the house. Put it right here. But yeah, look at that. It does need a seal right here. We're gonna take the cam out of here. We put it right here. Wow, it looks really good. You know, the other one is broken here, there. This is really nice. Everything marked, everything good. Brand new seals, brand new. Everything is brand new. So, $700 worth? Yeah, it is. Good look, if you're gonna think about it, you're gonna take your head to the machine shop. They're gonna charge you what? Maybe $160 to $200 just to refresh the head. That's not including your valves, labor, not including the spring labor, and not including the parts. So yeah, then you got the spring labor, your valves area. You're spending about maybe another $200 to $300 buying parts and labor. Put it all together, come back, it's about $1,000. Even take, this is $800. Take it to it. I mean, you can get a better deal if you know your people in an AutoZone, but you can get this head, take it out of your car. You have a cord, but remember, you do have to adjust the valves on these. They come loose. Do not turn the car over to adjust them, so you get it adjusted. Take the old one out, take as a cord, bring this one in. This is already cut, a 1-year warranty on it. Everything is brand new, everything is refreshed. You don't have to worry about nothing. All you have to do is turn the car over and let's go. So that's my next project. Probably the next video you see me taking the head of the old one out, put it on. I just want to show you guys because I just got it. They called me today. You know, it's an amazing day. So they called me today. They told me, hey Freddie, your head is here. I said, all right, I'm on my way to pick it up. So stay tuned. So let's go back to the CRX. Woo-wee! Hey guys, welcome back to the Gene Garage, and today we are working on the Civic. And before we put the head, hit like, hit share, subscribe. And me and Adriana, we're gonna be working on the car. Basically, all that right there is what we are doing, all the hoses right now. And after that, we're gonna have to take out the timing belt, move it all the way around. And today we have a helper right here. Also, say hello to the world of YouTube. Hello. Yeah, Daddy's gonna help, right? And myself right here. So all these aftermarket hoses are great, but some of them will not fit your car, even though they still will fit your car. So today we are playing with this kit that we bought on eBay, and we're gonna go run through all these hoses. And of course, Adriana is gonna be my camera girl today. You already recording there? Now the first one we're gonna attack is this headache right here. A lot of people don't change these because they're a pain in the ass. One, you have your brake line and your fuel lines right in the middle. Two, whatever designed this on Japan, they put the freaking clamps underneath on both sides. So you got a shorty, it goes from there to here, and you got the other one that goes from there to here for the heater core. And you got this one. So we're gonna take it, before we take it from here, we're gonna take it from here. We're gonna replace that one. And then after that, we're gonna replace this one. And if I have time, I'm gonna replace the little one. And we're gonna move on to whatever other hose we can find. And let's start with that one. It's another one right here that we can change later on. So let's see. Let me see if I don't get myself cut, because this is a pain in the butt. All right.
I was wondering. I thought because.
Hi. Hey guys, so we are here. We already replaced a couple hoses here. The more, when you guys left, it was these two right here. They're pretty fucking. Basically, on this one, I had to cut it. This one, I did cut it, pull it out. I'm waiting for the clamp to arrive. We're gonna clamp it. Then we're gonna put this back. If you don't know, this opens up real nice. Then you can put this back on normal, and then we're gonna have. You order a second kit. The second kit will come with this. It will come with the lower hose and the upper hose. We did the back hoses, or the main ones. We did this one too. And then after that, we are gonna go in here and take out the bottom of the timing belt with everything out. And we're gonna, we can even do the head today if you want to. The only thing we don't have is all the parts. They're not here yet, but we can do the head, put the head back together and everything. So I might do that later on with the help of Adriana. So first I'm gonna do is basically we're gonna before the clamp it out. And in the next video you're gonna see us basically lifting the car up so we can do the timing belt, and then bring the head with the head on, clean it up, put it there, and measure it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. What I'll be doing for the past few hours is that I already took out the timing belt. Sealed the floor, clean up. That's for the AC unit. I have to do something else. And this is the new head. This head was purchased through Advanced Auto Part. No, I'm sorry, AutoZone. From Moy Nick, hook it up. Cost me less than send it to fix. Then I bought part numbers right there. Bolts. Head bolts from Eagle, so I can put that brand new head bolt in it. You know that only you can use once or twice those head bolts on these cars. I'll put a new head bolt, new VT gasket on it, new hoses. So me and Adriana, we've been busy all day. She helped me a lot today. This girl right there is gonna be the next generation mechanic, babe, watch out. So we have the new gasket right here, done. VT gasket, new head gasket for the Performance. I forgot the name of it, it's over there. These are loose right now, but when I get the timing belt on, I'll adjust, and then after everything's tight, then I adjust the valve before I do anything else. I'm still waiting on parts for the car, for the head, so I just want to put the head today, torque it, and that's what I'm about to do. Brand new head bolts in here. I want to torque it down, and after I torque it, I'm going to put the valve cover basically, and then I cannot do the timing because I'm waiting for a shim to arrive. And as soon as the shim to arrive, then I can put the custom stuff that I have over there for this car. So that's clean. Everything else is here. Brand new timing belt on the floor. That old timing belt, the old water pump, the old timing belt was pretty bad. So, and the plug wasn't that bad. So it's just putting everything back together. Hopefully this car lasts me another. This car being my family for 6 years, hopefully it lasts me another 20. Maybe we can do body work on it, paint it back the way the original color was. But yeah guys, $500 for the head refresh. I didn't have to do nothing. Just send it to them. They did everything for me, and I got a 2-year warranty on it too. So that's the best deal. First time I do this for a car. Had a pretty nice clean. It's a 99 head. This is a 98 with the bottom end was, I think it was a 96, 97. Now it's the 2000 head, so it should flow a lot better. Better breathing on the car. We do have a couple sensors here that we do brand new. Temperature sensor, the seat sensor, we brand new. We put new gasket there. Knock sensor is new. I say all the hoses are new. Here, there. This hose right here is going to go to the manifold. As soon as we get the manifold, that's going to go to the manifold. And then we got to find one more. We got to get one more for here. And I'm replacing them. I told him that I would like to replace the radiator, put another one, but he doesn't want to. So that's it, guys. That's what's going on right now. As soon as we take a break, I got to search for the torque specs on the head. Then I come back and I put it to you and tell you guys what stock the head, torque is. And that's it. Stay back tuned. Hey guys, so we just finished torquing the head. Nice and torquing there, all nice and done. The next thing you're gonna see us do right now, we're gonna put our odor, hasn't arrived yet, the gasket, temple gasket, so we can put them here. And so we're gonna have to order some more parts, but what we need here is done today. We're gonna put some rags between there, so nothing, no creator, whatever you call it, going into the motor. And we're gonna clean up. Gonna be a part 2 on this as soon as I get all the parts that I need. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.